Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the assets and taking the first steps in Capcut. Import your video clips and the transcript, then place clips on the timeline in order. Once done, trim rough spots and lock the main video track so captions won't shift. Make sure your project aspect ratio is set 16, 9 for YouTube or 9, 16 for Reels, so text size scales correctly. Now you're ready to generate captions from your transcript or record voice for auto-sync. Next, you create and align the captions precisely. If you use auto captions, select the correct language, then review and correct errors. If manual, paste lines and place them on the timeline. Once captions exist, fine-tune timing by dragging caption edges or nudging them by frames so each line matches speech. Make sure long sentences are split into shorter readable chunks. Also style the text, font, size, color, and a semi-opaque background to keep words visible over busy footage. Finally, you polish and export the finished caption video. Watch the entire video at normal speed, checking sync drift and correcting any remaining typos or timing offsets. Make micro adjustments where speech overlaps. When satisfied, export using H.264 1080p and an 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate for clear results. If something goes wrong, captions invisible or styling lost, check track visibility. Reapply the caption layer or export captions as an SRT file and re-import. That often resolves stubborn display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.